Algorand value equivalent to $0.1928 a coin. The present exchange cost range $0.18 and $18.951. The earlier day close $1.1856. The change was plus 0.72 plus 388%. Reverse rate as to Algo. Algorand figure for May 2024. To start with, cost at $13. Exorbitant cost to $16, while low cost $13. The normal for the month $0.14. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $15. Change for May 15 4%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.15. Excessive cost to 18, while low costs at 15. The normal for the month $16. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $17. Change for June 13 3%. Algorand gauge for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.17. Excessive cost to 19, while low cost 0.17. The normal for the month $18. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $18. Change for July 9%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $18. Excessive costs 21, while low costs 18. The normal for the month $19. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $20. Change for August 1%. Algorand figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $20. Excessive cost 22, while low cost 20. The normal for the month $21. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $21. Change for September 5%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $21. Excessive cost 24, while low cost 20. The normal for the month $22. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $22. Change for October 8%. Algorand gauge for November 2024. In the first place cost at $22. Exorbitant costs 25, while low costs 21. The normal for the month $23. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $23. Change for November 5%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $23. Exorbitant costs 26, while low costs 22. The normal for the month $24. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $24. Change for December 3%. Algorand conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at $24. Excessive costs 27, while low costs 23. The normal for the month $25. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $25. Change for January 2%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2025. To start with, cost at $25. Exorbitant cost 27, while low cost 23. The normal for the month $25. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $25. Change for February 0%. Algorand estimate for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at $25. Exorbitant costs 27, while low costs 23. The normal for the month $25. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $25. Change for spring 0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at $25. Excessive cost 31, while low cost 25. The normal for the month $28. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $29. Change for April 16%. Algorand conjecture for May 2025. First and foremost cost at $29. Exorbitant costs in 32, while low costs 28. The normal for the month $30. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $30. Change for May 4%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2025. To start with, cost at say $30. Exorbitant costs 33, while low costs 29. The normal for the month $31. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $31. Change for June 3%. Algorand conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $31. Excessive costs on 33, while low costs 29. The normal for the month $31. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $31. Change for July 0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else cost at some $31. Excessive costs are 39, while low costs are 31. The normal for the month $34. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $36. Change for August 16 1%. Algorand figure for September 2025. Before all else cost it's $36. Excessive costs on 36, while low costs 29. The normal for the month $33. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $31. Change for September 13.9%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost it's on $31. Exorbitant costs on 35, while low costs are 31. The normal for the month $33. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $33. Change for October 6.5%. Algorand estimate for November 2025. To start with, cost it's on $33. Exorbitant costs are 33, while low costs 26. The normal for the month $30. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $28. Change for November 15.2%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $28. Excessive cost 28, while low cost 22. The normal for the month $26. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $24's change for December 14.3%. Algorand conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at $24. Excessive cost 24, while low cost 19. The normal for the month $22. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $20. Change for January 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $20. Exorbitant costs 22, while low costs 20. The normal for the month $21. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $21. Change for February 5%. Algorand gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at $21. Exorbitant cost 21, while low cost 18. The normal for the month $20. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $19. Change for spring 9.5%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. To start with, cost at $19. Exorbitant costs are 19, while low costs are 15. The normal for the month $17. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $16's change for April 15.8%. Algorand conjecture for May 2026. At the outset cost at $16. Excessive cost on 16, while low cost on 14. The normal for the month $15. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $15 change for May 6.3%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at $15. Excessive cost on 16, while low cost on 14. The normal for the month $15. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $15 change for June 0%. Algorand gauge for July 2026. To start with, cost at $15. Exorbitant cost 10.